Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Click the subscribe button to follow IT Voice for the latest tech news updates. iRobot has launched its latest flagships, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus and the J9 Plus. These robots claim more intelligent cleaning and powerful scrubbing. They are available for pre-order in the US and Canada. The company faces competition from brands like EcoVax, Roborock, and Dreamin. iRobot also recently unveiled two mid-tier robot vacuums with mopping capabilities. The goal is to keep pace in a market rapidly innovating in home cleaning technology. Lava has introduced the Blaze 2 Pro smartphone for the offline market in India. Key features include a 90Hz display, Unisoc processor, and a 50 megapixel dual camera setup. It sports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The phone runs on Android 12, offers 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and features an anonymous call recording option. It promises an ad-free experience and comes with expandable storage. Next up we have Redmi will be unveiling the Redmi Note 13 series in China soon. This series is a collaboration between Redmi, Samsung and MediaTek. The Note 13 Pro Plus features a custom 200 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP3 camera sensor. The series aims to push imaging capabilities in affordable smartphones. The focus is to set a new standard in mobile phone photography. Samsung is rolling out the OneUI 6.0 update for flagship and mid-range devices. Galaxy A34 is currently receiving the beta update. A broader rollout in multiple countries is anticipated soon. Interested users can register for the beta test through the Samsung Members app. The OneUI 6.0 update promises new features and enhancements. Dell and University of Limerick are partnering for cancer research using AI. The collaboration aims to develop an AI platform for predictive and diagnostic cancer research. The primary goal is to aid in the treatment of B-cell lymphoma. The platform will speed up biomarker testing and provide insights for better treatment. Personalized therapies based on tumor characteristics are an anticipated outcome. Huawei is set to launch the Watch GT4 series on 14 September. Designs and prices for the wearable series have been leaked online. Two sizes 41mm and 46mm have been mentioned. The watches feature fitness tracking, a 2-week battery life, and power-saving technology. They bear similarities to the previous GT3 series but with several improvements. At last, NSO Group's software capable of spying on users utilized a zero-day exploit in iOS 16.6. This vulnerability, called Blastpass, affects Passkit and iMessage. Citizen Lab discovered the exploit and informed Apple. A fix is available in iOS 16.6.1 with users advised to update immediately. In unrelated news, China has banned the use of iPhone for government officials. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
स्कैम 2003 जैसे हर्षद मेहता का स्कैम था। इस सीरीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें अब्दुल करीम तेलगी की हुई ये सीरीज से हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे एक फ्रूट सेलर बना है इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैमर। उसने फ्रूट सेलिंग का काम बंद कर दिया और वो मुंबई चला गया। मुंबई में उसने ट्रैवल एजेंसी खोली और वो लोगों को कल भेजता था। ये चीज़ बहुत जल्दी पुलिस के सामने आ गई और उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया। उसकी वहाँ पे मुलाकात हुई राम रतन सोनी ने। उसने आइडिया दी स्टैम्प पेपर के स्कैम के बारे में, बताया कि ये फैक्ट्री, आप इस फैक्ट्री को ले लोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस बना सकते हो। पूरे 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम कर दिया। ये 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम है। जब ये सामने आया तो 2001 में इनको जेल हो गई। इनकी जेल होने के बाद 2017 तक ये जेल के अंदर थे, उनकी डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे और ये सीरीज बाहर आ गई। तो आपको भी कैसी लगी सीरीज जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और जिन लोगों को स्कैम 2003 के बारे में शॉर्ट में जानना है तो इस वीडियो इनके साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।